Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Trulia Home Searches step by step clearly. To deploy Trulia Home Searches, start by logging into your Trulia account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home page. In the search bar, enter the location where you want to find homes. Adjust your search criteria by selecting filters such as price range, number of bedrooms, and property type. After setting your filters, click on the search button to view the listings. Browse through the search results and select a property that interests you. Once you click on a property, review the detailed information and photos provided. To save your search criteria, click on the Save Search option available on the results page. You will be prompted to name your saved search for easy future access. Select whether you want to receive email alerts for new listings in your saved search. Confirm your settings by clicking on the Save button. Return to your saved searches by navigating to your account dashboard. Here, you can easily access all your saved searches and listings. To share your search results, find the Share option on the Property page. Choose your preferred sharing method, such as via email or social media. Keep track of any updates or changes to your saved properties using the Alerts feature. Monitor the market trends by reviewing the additional statistics provided by Trulia. Continue refining your searches as needed to stay updated with new listings. With these steps, you can effectively deploy Trulia Home Searches to find your ideal property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.